We've now discussed a wealth of foundational parts of the just-in-time system. And while these things are just that, foundational, it is important to also answer the question, what are the benefits of just-in-time? To put it simply, if you have what customers want in the right amount and at the right time, you also have lower overhead expenses, lower supply chain costs resulting in lower customer costs, better control of manufacturing, and better use of space, which ultimately supports an overall reduction in costs. You see, in a traditional manufacturing environment, companies would need to order large quantities of products to get the price break they need to maintain a profit. The downside was that this caused an organization to tie up tons of cash. In addition to this, companies would price items and services by adding a profit margin to their costs. For example, let's take the total cost of materials, labor, and overhead, and you have a cost. Then add 20%, and now you have your market price. The only problem was that this method does not allow organizations to be profitable when the market demands a price. In today's global economy, customers want to buy one item at the same price as 30 items. This is very difficult to achieve. Essentially, customers insist on buying items at a competitive price. To do this, companies need to change their perspective. Instead of looking at items as cost plus profit equals price, they must see the customer's price minus the cost and still have a profit. The just-in-time system helps companies achieve competitive prices. In addition to this, as you remove waste from an organization, the lead time of production, whether information-based or production-based, naturally goes down. Not only does this allow a company to deliver to customers in a timely manner, it also allows an organization to receive quicker returns on their investments. As an organization implements the system known as JIT, waste will go down. When waste goes down, hidden capacity is found. That's right, resources like people, money, machines, and time will be freed up from waiting, defects, and other forms of waste, which in turn allows them to do other value-creating activities. While companies ultimately reap the benefits of the just-in-time system, employees also receive the benefits through their employment. Let's take, for an example, a company that struggles to meet and pay overhead. Reducing waste enables an organization to free up resources, which in turn creates sustainable employment. The just-in-time system also creates an environment where employees can drive continuous improvement from their frontline observations. This is not only empowering for a company, but it also allows people to share ideas, thoughts, and be parts of improvements. Another effect of the system is reduced frustration. For example, defects and machine problems are minimal as systems like total productive maintenance are implemented and waste is improved. Machines that have demand and remain running are efficient and safer to use as well. Finally, with supporting tools like the 5S system, clutter, debris, and searching for items can be drastically reduced, which makes work much easier and more enjoyable to perform. There is no doubt that the just-in-time system will benefit companies and you. Keep in mind that the benefits of just-in-time and the impact of the system may vary from organization to organization and person to person. With that being said, please consider this thought-provoking question and make it specific to you or your organization. How might the just-in-time system benefit you? You can write your answers down, start a discussion with the community, or answer in the upcoming assignment. After you finish pondering and answering that question, prepare to move on to the next section where we will simplify a sometimes overly complicated concept. See you in the next video.